Hi there, it's Mary from stampingmary.stampinup.net. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today's project features a gift card holder, which is so useful for this time of the year, the holiday gift giving season. And I have made a cute little gift card holder, opens up just like that, and it fits inside one of our pretty little ombre bags. These are in our annual catalogue. There are 20 of them in a pack, and these are great for this time of the year particularly because you can fit quite a lot of sweet treats or a lovely gift inside there. So let me show you how I made it. It doesn't take very many supplies. So I've used a piece of basic black for the background there, and piece of our gingham paper, and this is in the Party Patterns Designer Series paper, and a piece of the basic black to make the actual gift card holder there. So let me tell you the dimensions. These are all listed on the description bar below, by the way, so you don't have to write them all down if you don't want to. So the piece for the actual gift card holder measures 6 inches by 5 1/4. And these two pieces here for the background, the basic black piece measures 5 1/2 by 5 1/2 by 4, and the top piece, the Designer Series paper, measures 5 1/4 by 4 1/4. Now you can adjust those to suit if you don't want it quite so large. I've used our corner rounder punch to round these edges. You can leave them straight if you like. I just like the effect. And then another strip of this gingham paper just to go across the front of our Designer Series paper, in front of our gift card holder, I should say. And I've used a stamp from the Holly Jolly Wishes stamp set, this one here. This stamp set is in our mini catalogue, and a lot of the items in our mini catalogue that aren't going to be carried over to the next year will actually be part of our end of year clearance. So if you click on the description bar of the products below, you'll see several of the items used in here are actually going to be on a clearance sale. So you never know, if you're watching this video at the time of the clearance sale, then you just might get lucky and grab yourself a bargain. So let's adhere this one first, get that out of the way. Bring in my yeah, so that's the base done. Let me show you how I made the gift card holder. It's very, very, very easy. So bring in your Simply Scored scoring tool, and on the we'll start with the 5 1/4 side. So that 5 1/4 side, if you score at 3/4 of an inch, and then turn and score again at 3/4 of an inch. Then on that 6 inch side, the longer side, you're going to score at 1 1/4 and 3 3/4. That's all the scoring done. Bring in your bone folder and fold on all of those score lines. So very easy gift card holder to make, very straightforward. So what's going to happen is this wider piece is the top, the narrow one is obviously the bottom. So we're going to cut away these two pieces here at the bottom and these ones here at the top. Now you can use your trimmer if you want to do that. I'm just going to go straight in and cut. Just help if I... And that one, that one, I know it's a little bit harder to see using the black, but and come up to the top. Put that one away. Edge that one. Oops. Didn't do a great job of that one. Oops. Still didn't do a great job. That side. Use that one. Okay, and that's it for the cutting. So that's what it's going to end up looking like. So your top piece and then your bottom one. So all that's going to happen is these side ones here will fold in and the bottom will fold up like that. And I haven't done a particularly good job of trimming that, so let's just fix that while we have it. There we go. I'm sure when you make yours, you won't, you will have yours looking perfect. So let's bring in some adhesive. I'm using the Stampin' Seal Plus, and all we're going to do is actually put adhesive on the bottom down here. Just realised I have done a pretty poor job of cutting that one. Yeah. So adhesive only in here. Let me just, there we go. Just on the sides, you can use your tape if you like, your double-sided tape. And just like that. Oops. All you want is the tape on these two sides here, this one here and this one here, because you want to be able to put the gift card will go right in there. And that's all there is to it. And again, if you were having a bad cutting day like me, I would recommend you use your trimmer. All right, I'll just score that again. Okay, let's put our little strip of designer series paper on here, and it is this. Again, just cut this one to whatever you know, size you can make it less. You could actually use the gingham ribbon, which I've used on the front here. That's in our mini catalogue. And I hope that it carries over to the next year's annual catalogue, because I love it. So I'm just placing this sort of halfway down. Go. Bring in this scrap of basic white, and I'm using my polished pink. Pink for Christmas. Whoops, why not? Okay. I'm bringing in the Everyday Label Punch. Punch that out. Go. Dimensionals. Oh, wrong place. And then just to add a little bit of bling, I'm using the rhinestones, the coloured rhinestones, the in colour rhinestones in polished pink. They come in all the in colours. They are in the annual catalogue and they are fabulous. possibly my most favourite rhinestones that we've had in the in colours. And you just need to pop that on now with some, I'll use some multi-purpose glue. You want a good strong adhesive for this because you don't want it to fall off, obviously. Plus it's going to have the gift card inside it, so just line that up. Give a couple of minutes, a couple of seconds there to dry. And that's all there is to it. So your gift card will go right in there. Perfect. Easy peasy. Bring in that gift bag. So these have come in all the in color, in all of our in color colorways. I went with the Forever Evening Evergreen. Gosh, where are my words? Any of the colors will look fabulous. Now the ribbon I'm using is the metallic mesh ribbon. Here it is here. It's a beautiful big, it's beautiful ribbon, and it was actually in our holiday catalogue last year, and it's been brought back again to our for this year for our annual catalogue, so for our Christmas catalogue I should say. Just fold that down, fold the top of the bag down, and then bring your ribbon. Again, you can just use one of the ribbons. You don't have to use, I've used the this ribbon plus the gingham just because I can. Plus that gingham carries through the colourway obviously into the background of the card, the gift card. Just give that a nice and the gingham ribbon. If you haven't already got this ribbon, oh, it's the best. It's the best. And that's it. Super easy, super gift card holder with the little bag as well. So 2 completed ones there, and then that's what the inside will look like when you have made it. Gift card goes in there. There you go. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me, stampingmary@gmail.com. And as I said, I have put a link to the products I've used as well as the dimensions for this holder in the description bar below. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye.